You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to create a video collage or a multi-clip video post on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select the Reels option at the bottom on the Reels camera screen. Look to the left side for an icon that looks like multiple squares stacked. This is the layout tool. Tap it. You will see different layout options at the bottom, like grids for 2, 3, or 6 clips. Select your preferred layout, such as a 2x2 grid. The screen will now split. Tap the record button to film a short clip for the first segment. It will fill one section of the grid. Tap record again. To film the next clip for the next section, continue until you fill all segments. You can also tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to add pre-recorded videos or photos to each segment instead of filming live. Use the editing tools to adjust the length of each clip, add text, stickers, or a voiceover. Preview your collage by tapping the play button. When satisfied, tap next, add a caption and hashtags, choose your audience, and tap share. Your video will be posted as a reel, playing as a seamless collage. For more simple Instagram editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.